You might have grown up watching the news with people just like this, news anchors. To become a news anchor takes a whole lot of time, a whole lot of training, and a whole lot of personality. But nowadays, AI is taking over that role, with AI news anchors just about everywhere. In this tutorial, we are going to be showing you how you can create your very own news channel that's going to rack up the views. So if that's something that has piqued your interest, let's get started. We're going to start off by going to youtube.com. And over here, you are simply going to go to your channel and you're going to say switch channels. You're going to go to the view channel section and it's going to pop up with an option to create a new channel. Once you're there, you're going to have to create a channel name. Now for this section, we are going to head over to Chat GPT. So you're going to go to chat.openai.com. If you haven't registered an account already, you're going to do that. And what we're going to do is we're going to ask it for a couple of names for a cool YouTube channel. The first couple of prompts didn't yield anything that really piqued my interest, so I prompted it again. And by the second prompt, I got quite a news one, Global Pulse News. I thought, let's keep our finger on the global pulse. I really like that one. We're going to head back to our YouTube channel and we're going to apply our new channel name. We're going to see if it's available. It seems to be available. Okay, so now our channel has been created. We need to go ahead and customize our channel now. So we're going to go to customize channel and now it's going to bring us to the YouTube Studio page. And now in the YouTube Studio page, we're going to select the basic info there. And now we can change our handle as well so that people can find us with greater ease. And then I'm going to head over to ChatGPT again to ask it to create a little bit of a description for our channel now. That's going to facilitate things. ChatGPT is really going to help you develop the content that you need for your page. So once I'm happy with that, I'm going to head back and apply that in. And once we've done that, we're going to go ahead and publish our page. And then we're going to go over to the branding section. This is where we need to create artwork for our page. And for that, we're going to head over to our trusty resource, canva.com. Once you are in Canva, you're going to look at the dimensions that you need for your channel, which it says there a minimum of 98 by 98 pixels. We're going to create a square canvas. And then I'm going to look for icons that I feel would fit the logo. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I like the globe. Let me take a look at some of the options here regarding the fonts. I quite like this news font. And I need something that speaks of pulse. So, ooh, that's a cool one. I'm just going to slot it in behind. And wow, there we go. I really like that image. So let's go ahead and upload that. Oof, you can see it's a bit pixelated. I'm not happy with that. So let's go ahead back to Canva. I'm going to create a much bigger page this time. And I'm going to recreate the image. Okay, make it bold. So I'm going to change it now. That looks a lot better. I'm happy with that. Now, next we need to develop a YouTube banner. So let's find a template that works. Ooh, I quite like this one. And I'm going to adjust this template a bit. I'm going to go back to our image and resave it as with a clear background so that I can apply it here. And I'm going to change just a few of the details in it so that it can really suit this new background. And then once I've done that, I'm going to upload it back to Canva and apply it over here. Oh wow, look at that. That looks incredible actually. So let's apply it now. I'm also going to change the picture because I really like the new look and feel of this one. Now over here, it's going to tell you exactly how your custom banner is going to look on different screens. So you have your viewable on desktop, on devices. It has that same look and feel. It won't show the name, but you know what? I'm pretty happy with how that looks. I think this channel is going to look great. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to head over to Google and we're going to find some news, something that is worthy of news, okay? And I really like this article on the Wonder Woman statue at a college So I'm going to go ahead into that article. I'm going to copy all the text. Then I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and I'm going to ask it to rewrite this article. Next up, I'm going to go over to 11 Labs, our trusty voice generator. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over to the voice library because I really like the voices that they have in the library. And I'm going to find a female voice that we can use. Let's put our text in and let's see how that sounds.
Calgary's Bow Valley College Center for Entertainment Arts is now home to a striking statue of Gal Gadot as Wonder Woman.
Okay, I am quite happy with that. Now we're heading over to app.heygen.com and we're going to set up a new free profile over here. And once we do, we now have access to their avatars. So let's find a female avatar for our needs. And there's a lot to choose from. I'm going to choose smart casual and business casual, see what it comes up with. This is our first one.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with Heygen. Simply type your script to get started.
Okay, that's pretty good. I think almost there. Let's see if we can find another one.
Welcome to the new era of video.
Ooh, I think that definitely suits our needs. But can we change what she's wearing, make it a bit more casual?
Welcome to the new era of video creation with Heygen.
There we go. So now that we've chosen our avatar, we're going to add our audio script in. So we're going to choose that audio file. Remember, with Heygen, you're only going to be allowed to use 1 minute worth of content on the free account. So make sure that your voice over is only 1 minute long. So once we've done that, we're going to have a listen.
Calgary's Bow Valley College Center for Entertainment Arts is now home.
That sounds pretty good. Then we need to change the color of the background to green because we are going to use this in CapCut later on. We're going to go ahead and save the submission. And let's see what it created.
Calgary's Bow Valley College Center for Entertainment Arts is now home to a striking statue of Gal Gadot as Wonder Woman. Standing at over 2 meters and armed with sword and shield, the statue is a fitting addition to the institution.
Sure, that looks fantastic actually. Pretty impressed by that. Okay. Next up, we're going to go over to ChatGPT. Now, if you have ChatGPT 4, this is going to be a heck of a lot easier. What you're going to do is enable your plugins. So if you come down here to the beta features, make sure that you activate your plugins and then go to the plugins tab. And if we scroll all the way down, it's going to allow us to add a new plugin. We're going to search for CapCut, install it, and this becomes an absolute breeze. We literally paste our script in and we ask it to generate a script for us. And in no time at all, it's going to generate that script for us. It's going to take us straight through to CapCut.com and it's going to upload the video. And now we can have a listen to it.
Calgary's Bow Valley College Center for Entertainment Arts is now.
Okay, that's not bad. I'm not happy about the music. Some of the images aren't great, but we can also go ahead and change those. CapCut is a great free app for those of you that have never used it before. The next thing we need to do is upload our avatar. Then we're going to go to the removal background function. We're going to go auto removal and boom, it's going to automatically remove her. Then we just need to make her a bit smaller, put her in the side of the screen there so she doesn't get in the way of the text. And then I'm going to make a whole lot of adjustments to our video. Once I've done that, we can go ahead and share it and it's going to allow us to download the video. We'll go back then to our YouTube channel. And over here in the top right hand corner where it says create, you're going to click on that icon. It's going to ask you to select a file. And then all you need to do now is add in the title, the description. We can go ahead and optimize a title through ChatGPT. So we can go and find some nice information to put there. It's going to ask us for a thumbnail. Okay, we make it public. Make sure that you make it public, otherwise people won't be able to find it. And then let's see how our video came out.
Calgary's Bow Valley College Center for Entertainment Arts is now home to a striking statue of Gal Gadot as Wonder Woman. Standing at over 2 meters and armed with sword and shield, the statue is a fitting addition to the institution. "Everyone has a soft spot for Wonder Woman," remarked Allison Anderson, Dean of Business, Technology, and the Center for Entertainment Arts. When the college was offered a statue as a gift, Anderson initially suggested Wonder Woman in jest, but soon realized it was the ideal selection. The statue perfectly encapsulates the ethos of our college and the Center for Entertainment Arts, creating an inclusive environment that fosters collaborative creativity, Anderson noted.
You know what? That was pretty good. For a first attempt, I'm very impressed. Now, what happens if you don't have ChatGPT-4? What are you going to do? Well, we've got you covered. First thing you're going to do is head over to Steve.ai. You're going to set up an account over there. And Steve.ai will allow you to turn text to video. Now, the only problem here is that it's not going to use the exact script. In fact, the script that Steve came out with was even better than the initial script. But what I'm really interested in are the pictures and the depictions behind what I've created here. So I'm going to go ahead and play with some of those, change them. And once I'm happy with that, I'm going to go and download it. Then I'm heading back to CapCut Pro. And now I'm going to upload my new video. Okay, there we go. There's my new video. It has the iStock watermark in the background. That's not great, but you know what? I can always change that. For the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to keep it as it is. I'm going to make a couple of changes, do the same thing with our avatar, and then let's see how this one came.
Calgary's Bow Valley College Center for Entertainment Arts is now home to a striking statue of Gal Gadot as Wonder Woman. Standing at over 2 meters and armed with sword and shield, the statue is a fitting addition to the institution. "Everyone has a soft spot for Wonder Woman," remarked Allison Anderson, Dean of Business, Technology, and the Center for Entertainment Arts. When the college was offered a statue as a gift, Anderson initially suggested Wonder Woman in jest, but soon realized it was the ideal selection. The statue perfectly encapsulates the ethos of our college and the Center for Entertainment Arts, creating an inclusive environment that fosters collaborative creativity, Anderson noted.
So there you go. That's how you create a news channel using AI technology. We hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. All the relevant links that you will need will be in the description below. If you've enjoyed it, remember to like and subscribe for more content just like this.